Okay, so I got this phone that came in to me today, and it's doing this here. Apple logo on, Apple logo off. So I instantly thought, hey, it's just something simple, iTunes restore. The customer said they had already tried that, but I thought, I'd give it a shot. Different cable, different computer. Sometimes you get different results. But even with me doing the same thing, different cables, different computers, I still ended with this. It goes all the way through the iTunes restore. It says it restores successfully, but then it goes exactly back to this. So from there, I figured maybe it's the battery, maybe the charger port. Probably not, because it made it through the restore, but I thought that those might be the things that might cause this, other than, it just being a bad board dead phone. So anyway, let's go and get into it. As you can see, I've already taken the phone apart. Of course, ignore the broken screen. We're not really worried about that right now. Um, but so I found that the issue, and I'm questioning whether Apple is doing something suspect with some of these updates that they put out. The issue is actually something in here. Now, this phone had not been repaired before. He still had the original screen on it. I broke the seal myself. It had not been opened up. He said it was working, and it took an update overnight, and this is where he was. But what I have figured out is the problem is actually something in this camera earpiece flex cable, and what it's doing, as you see, is continuing to do this. I'm gonna go ahead and leave it plugged up and powered on, and you can see exactly how fast it will correct this problem just from unplugging this thing. Let me get this out of the way. I don't even know why I put that back on, but anyway, so I'm gonna unplug it. See, it's still doing it. I really look really bad with that line across. Still doing it. Whatever. So I'm not gonna do anything. No tricks. Nothing up my sleeve. Unplug. I'm unplugged now. And voila. Absolute something with the cable, I guess, but it's kind of weird. I mean, the screen is broken, so I mean, there could be some physical damage in there, but he says that everything worked fine all up until he took the update to 13.5.1. So if you're having that issue, check the speaker and camera cable, and that might fix it. Okay, so guess I'll go ahead and show you how to replace it. Let's see here. I'm going to unplug this and set it aside. So it's fairly simple. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Phillip head screws. Take that little piece off. That flips back. There's the speaker. And then here, a little heat helps to get this off. There's a little sticky tape there, under here, and under there. And when you get it warm enough, it kind of just peels right off. Just like that. And so I'm guessing this is bad somehow, but I have another one here. We'll put it on and see. if that fixes the problem. This actually is not a brand new one. This is actually an Apple one pulled from a dead phone. And it's not like, doesn't have Touch ID or anything on it, so it doesn't matter that it came from a different phone. And these things just go right down inside these little grooves. That. Sometimes they like to pop out, obviously. Kind of hold it in place, and then speaker, flip it up, camera, cover, of course make sure you get the screws back in the right spot. Voila. Okay. Now usually when I put this on, I kind of pull it up a little this way. I found this the easiest way. Get that in place. Put the cover back on. These are two Y screws here. Okay, and then plug the screen back in. And the battery. And let's see. Voila. So that's what it was. Somehow or the other, I guess this is damaged or gone bad. That camera and ear speaker flex cable. I use the same speaker, just change the cable. So if you run across that problem, that possibly can fix it. Hope this helps somebody. Comment, like, subscribe. Thank you. Thanks for watching.